Welcome to Stafford's Custom Lumber. Uh, you'll find the lowest prices on lumber. Comes out to about just $1 per square foot for lumber. On down, you'll find prices, and you can order by PayPal. And and there's a little printout deal, and you can check around. You'll see that we got the lowest possible prices. You can print that out free. There's a little PDF file with the prices, and we can cut lumber for you. We can cut slabs of lumber if you're into making coffee tables and picnic tables and things like that. We can cut slabs up to 40 inches wide, and just shop around, look around right now, and I look forward to doing business with you pretty soon. We are always looking for young helpers that want to learn the business, and so we can expand when we buy more timber lots. We want some good helpers that can run the sawmill and do logging and do woodworking and everything. And so we're looking for young helpers that can take over these businesses that we're going to set up all over the United States, wherever there's lumber, wherever there's timber. And we are looking for silent partners. We'll give you a 5% share for $350,000, and 5% share of all the profits from our sawmill and the sawmills that we're going to set up in the future all over the country. You'll get a 5% profit for just $350,000. So think about it, check it out, and God bless, and have a nice day.